Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, for those of you out there that have amp research steps on your truck and you want the step to stay down so that when you're washing the truck you can spray the step off, or you want to do a restore to the step because it's either peeling or chipping or rusting, I'm going to show you on this video how to make the amp research step stay down with the door closed. Just going to walk up to it like this, and you're going to open the door, and it comes down just like that. All right, then what you're going to do is you're going to shut your door and you're going to put your foot on it, and there you go. So now you can either detach the running board so that you can clean it up, spray it back black, whatever you want to do, get the rust off of it, or if it's dirty you want to spray it off, clean all the mud and dirt and things like that off. Now to get it to go back up, all you have to do, open the door, then shut the door back. And there you go. So that's how you get the step to stay down. I know it's a lot of people out there that want to install a switch in their car where you can just hit the switch and put the step down and it'll stay down, but that right there is the easiest way to do it. You can always install a switch too, but you just put your weight on it and it'll stay down on its own. Guys, I got a couple videos on the amp research steps, how to install them on this truck, how to restore them if they're rusty and chipping and you want to spray paint them back black. I have 2 videos.
Alright guys, I'm not just known for one video. I have multiple videos. I'm not just a one-trick pony. I'm a one-stop shop. It's in the name, Jack of all trades Dre. We have motorcycle videos, car videos, Park It 360 videos, small engine videos, Bentley videos, Cadillac videos. Should I keep going? Mini bike engine swap videos, BMW suspension sag videos, Scion tensioner pulley removal videos, small engine leak repair video. I think I made my point. I'm out.